Hey everyone! So right now, we are playing Animal Jam, and I hope that you could see this. Well, obviously you can. I am just going to show you guys. There's also a new animal and stuff like that. Yes, this is my channel, Animal Jam.
Hey, Animal Jam.
Oh.
Thanks for visiting my...
So we don't need to see that. So I'm gonna show you my den. So here it is. This was not requested, but I have a Animal Jam giveaway account. And I want some of you guys to see it. So yeah. So let's take a move on here. And if you're wondering what account this is, I want you to go friend me, and I also want you to go friend Rainbow Garden 7. Go friend her and stuff. I just friended her. And let's say I want to friend this person. That's what I'm going to do right now. And if you guys have a Animal Jam account, you could go check out my channel and subscribe to this one. So